resistor and one more LED. So let's start. For our first thing we need to do is we need to take a breadboard, and it is a tool. It has got lots of holes, as you can see. These are not connected, as these are not connected. These are the rails. The below one is the positive and the up one is the negative. Same here. Positive is the up one and negative is the down one. Now, what I will do, I will connect to this LED. To start with, I am going to tell you what is the use of a LED. If you ever see a light glowing, it is actually a LED. So it has got two terminals. The longer one is the anode and the cathode one is the cathode. Is the negative. So I am going to connect the anode of the LED. Wait, I'll just straight it up. Yes. So I'm going to plug in this LED. Wait, just wait a minute. Yes, okay. So here. So I'm going to connect it over here, and LED, I will connect it over here. This time here, and I think I'll connect another terminal here. Okay, and this is a resistor. It has got the colors brown, black, red, and black again, and brown again. Do you know why do resistors have these colors? That's because it tells us which resistor is it. So, I'm going to connect one terminal of the resistor to the cathode. Here is the cathode. So, okay. Here done. Just need to connect over here. Okay. And so, now what I will do is I will connect the slide switch. As you can see. See this slide switch? And now and you can slide it like this. Slide. I'm going to connect this slide switch over here. Okay. So, now I have got this wire. So, first up, the anode of the LED will be connected to one terminal of the slide switch. Right over here. Just wait. Here. That is correct. Just wait. Wait. Yes. So this one will be here. So the wipers on another terminal is making it the common of the slide switch. Right over here I have connected it, and now I'm going to take it to the positive rail. And this is the wire. And now I'm going to connect this wire to the resistors, another terminal. And I'm going to connect it like this, and so I'm going to connect it right over here. Now what I need to do is just connect this 9-volt battery. Here is the 9-volt battery. So first I'm going to do the negative. Negative should be, I'm going to connect it over here, and positive should be I think here. So let's begin. Let's see how it works. Correct or not? Was not working. So let's see, found out the mistake. Okay. So here, that's correct. And so we finally figured out the problem, and the problem was that the wires weren't inserted properly. So make sure that your circuit or tool or the component should be inserted properly. And now you can see that if I switch this light switch, the LED would glow.